how to find who can chat with me in app settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can chat with me in app settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down, click settings and then click here privacy, and now click this one. You will find it here, who can chat with me in app, and you can select friends or no one, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.